In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a job application form in GoDaddy Website Builder. By the end, you'll have a simple, professional form that lets visitors submit their applications directly through your site. Let's start from inside your GoDaddy Website Builder editor. On the page where you want the job application form to appear, make sure you're in edit mode on your site, not just preview mode, so you can actually make changes. First, you'll add a new section for the form. Look for the option to add a section, usually shown as a plus sign, often labeled Add Section. Go ahead and click that. A panel will open with different section types you can add to your page. From this list, choose the contact category. This is where GoDaddy keeps all the form-based sections. Once you're in the contact section options, you'll see several different form layouts. These can vary in design and structure, but any of them can be customized later, so don't worry too much about picking the perfect one right now. Choose a layout that fits the style of your site and click Add. The form will be dropped onto your page in the editor. Now that the form is on your page, you'll customize it so it works as a job application form instead of a general contact form. Click directly on the form in the editor. This should highlight the form and open settings in a panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, look for something like Edit Form Fields and click it. This is where you control what information you collect from applicants. You'll see the existing fields like name, email, and message. You can leave these if they're useful, and you can also add new ones specifically for job applications. To do that, click the Add button in the Form Fields area. For work history, create a new field called Work Experience. Set this field type to multiple line text. That way, applicants have enough space to describe their background, list previous jobs, or add other relevant details. You can add a short description or placeholder text if the builder allows, such as please list your recent roles and responsibilities to give people a clear idea of what to write. Next, add another field for the position they're applying for. Click Add again and create a field called Role. For the field type, choose drop-down. This will let you list specific positions and applicants can pick the one that matches. This is especially helpful if you're hiring for several roles at once because it keeps responses consistent and easier to review. Finally, update the button text so it feels like a proper application form. Click on the Forms button, which probably says Send by default. In the settings, change that text to Submit Application. This small change sets the right expectation for visitors and makes the purpose of the form clear. Once you've made these adjustments, preview your page to make sure everything looks good and the fields appear as you expect. When you're happy with it, save or publish your changes, and your job application form will be live on your GoDaddy website.